13th and 14th, 1993, in what is being billed as the worst storm of the century. Worst storm of the century, winter storm of the century. We really didn't get that much snow as Patty and I are used to. This is approximately 1.5 feet, maybe 12, 14, 15 inches. We're looking out our garage door right now. But the reason that they're billing it as the worst is that this is the storm that ripped from Florida all the way up to Maine. Florida was the one that encountered the tornadoes and the floods. And this is Washington. You can see the wind blowing over there. Today we're going to have gusty winds, 60-mile-an-hour winds. You can listen to the winds. I've already filmed some.
See
so
that?
Look at this thing. Can you see that? You filming the shovel now? Pretty impressive, huh?
Dad, the thing is, I've got to get down here too.
No, I told you to start about 1.5 feet in, like about right there. And just start working your way down.
It's easier to do it that way because you can't slide.
What's that now? You like the sliding?
I said, if you're digging some anyway and you're close to the ground, you might as well go to the
Hi,
ground
Daddy.
so you don't slide.
Well, it's fun. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Daddy, that shovel
That's
looks
funny.
so easy. It's so hard.
Why don't you film your sister a little bit?
Thanks.
Hey, where'd she go? There she is.
Here's Mom.
That looks like a car to me. Oh. Hi, Mommy. Mommy says hi.
Okay, you can quit filming now.
Making you dizzy yet?
Doing all the work.
That's right.
Okay, we're through shoveling the driveway. Now 20 minutes to 3. Wait until you see where Lori is. She's trying to dig out, and there she is. Back down in there. Oh, there she is. Let's go take a look. See what she's doing here. Wait till you see where Susan is. How you doing, Lori? Why don't you show us how you were doing it there with that little cup? Let me see your little cup. Oh yeah, and you're doing a good job. I think you better come on out of there. Besides, I got someplace for you to be.
Now?
Yep. Let me help you out of there.
Okay.
We got about 3 minutes left, and we're all going to get frostbite. Okay, patio. Look how hard it is. It's solid, isn't it? Go ahead, you can make it. Let's go, my hands are freezing. Come on, running out of battery too. Wait until she gets around the corner. Okay, you're on. Oh my God, I can barely hold this thing. I'm sorry. Okay, going around the corner. Go ahead. You're using someone else's steps, are you? Well, why don't you go stop right there, Lori, and go over to the right. I want to see what it looks like. That's what I brought you around here for. Yep, yep.
What?
I want to see what it looks like.
How stiff
Yeah? No. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Where are you going, Mark? Daddy wants me to go. Why? Well, I don't know, but this is fun.
Whoa. All right, now.
I can't get into you.
Susie, you can come out now. Susan,
I found a ping pong ball.
Susie, let's come on out. Come on out, please. I got about a half a minute of battery left. Come on.
For a second.
You're through.
I'm almost finished.
You're through.
I'm almost finished. You're through, Susie.
Did you leave your bucket down in there?
Yes, but I can stay there.
Uh-oh. I'm about to lose my balance. Whoa! Oh, man. Help me up, would you?
Hi!
That's not funny. Help.
What?
I lost my balance. Can someone undo me here, please?
Here it is.
Oh, thank you.
Can I fall back, Daddy?
Don't just turn.
It's still going!
Yeah, it's got about a minute left on it.
Daddy, can I fall back?
Do an angel! Then you gotta move
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Is that an angel?
You have to do it with your legs, too.
With my legs? I don't think so.
Yes, you do.
All right, come on, let's go. We gotta go.
Can I fall back?
Is that thing still running?
I don't know.
Shut it off.